Everyone starting with AI is confused. How many versions of you can there be? To fix AI amnesia, I use two main workflows. First, reference to image. I use Whisk to pin a close-up of my face, then prompt it into different scenes. It's controlled, but it locks you down. You are stuck using that image as the start frame. Second, reference to video. This is the 99% hack. In Google, it's called ingredient to video. The reference slot is key. You upload 3 images, front, back, and side. This gives the AI a 360-degree brain. No more, "Who is that?" mid-scene. Just me, every time. Subscribe to see what is my next mix.